Meet Samantha, a vibrant 29-year-old graphic designer with a flair for transforming visuals. Recently, her close friend Julia, who dazzled everyone with her new vibrant energy and slim figure, ushered Samantha into the world of ketogenic diet. Inspired and full of hope, Samantha embarked on a radical pantry transformation. Out went the sugary treats and piles of pasta, and in came heaps of avocados, leafy greens, and high-quality meats. Determined to reshape her lifestyle and eating habits, she was poised at the start line of what promised to be a transformative journey. Samantha's initial plunge into keto wasn't the smooth sail she envisioned. She wrestled with keto flu, grappling with pounding headaches, overwhelming fatigue, and waves of irritability that shook her resolve. Her once cherished cafe visits with coworker Mark morphed into battles of temptation, with Samantha sipping on black coffee while eyeing the pastries they once reveled in together. Despite the internal torrents, Samantha held on. She clung to her reasons for this journey, visions of a healthier, more energetic self, allowing them to anchor her through the storm of this first challenging week. As the weeks unfolded, Samantha started to notice her body responding with positivity to her new diet. Her energy began to soar, leaping from the drowsy lulls of the past, and her body started to sculpt into the shape she always dreamed of. At her sister Rachel's birthday gathering, the flow of compliments about her rejuvenated appearance lifted her spirits even higher. Curious yet supportive looks from her family members didn't go unnoticed as she introduced them to her newly discovered culinary delight, a zesty avocado and egg salad, symbolizing her successful adaptation to the ketogenic lifestyle. With the close of her first month on keto, Samantha took to her journal, her thoughts swirling with reflections. She'd endured the rocky terrain of drastic lifestyle adjustment, emerging 10 pounds lighter and bursting with a newfound vibrancy and unflagging energy. This victory over her initial struggles filled her with a resolute determination to press on. As she planned her meal prep for the following month, a surge of excitement washed over her. The kitchen, once a place of simplicity, was now her arena to master more intricate keto recipes, a challenge she now embraced with open arms.